Welcome to learn how to start your own interior design business and be successful. My name is Amit Agrawal and I am the Chief Mentor and Founder of Design and Me, the Elite Learning Academy. I want to congratulate you on your decision to join the lucrative and exciting field of interior design. The things you will learn in this course will push you into a satisfying career and a new lifestyle. After all, when you improve your skill set, you improve your life. The first module, Interior Design as a Career, in the course will give you an overview of the field of interior design. We will also cover the core personality traits of a successful interior designer, and you will discover just what an interior designer does during the day. Are you ready? Let's get started. A drab, boring apartment or home. What do you think when you walk into this room? If you instantly start thinking about how you would decorate it, design it, what furniture and paint would look good at it, and the best way to create mood lighting, then a career in interior design might be perfect for you. If you have an aptitude for combining colors and a good sense of taste and style, a career in interior design will be easy for you. A vibrant, exciting apartment or home. If you have a habit of browsing furniture shops, reading, decorating, and mentally redecorate every room that you walk into, then this is the right course for you. In this course, create, promote, and sell. Learn how to start your own interior design business and be successful. You will develop the talent and skill to transform a dull room into a vibrant, exciting one. You will learn how interior design can set a mood, make a room more functional, and can reflect the purpose and personality of the owner. In short, you will learn how to take your passion for designing and decorating and make it into a lucrative business. From setting up the business to finding and keeping clients. This course is a step-by-step toolkit to go from thinking about a business to running one. Here's what you will learn in this program. Module 1, Interior Design as a Career. Module 2, Money Matters. Module 3, Getting Ready. Module 4, Setting up the Business. Module 5, How to Find Clients. Module 6, Running Your Business. And Module 7, Growing Yourself and Your Business. We shall talk about each module in greater detail in future videos. But first, let's take a look at the field of interior design. Is this even a good time to start a new interior design business? Now is a great time to start an interior design business. The answer is yes. Now is a great time to start an interior design business. Why? Well, the real estate market worldwide is starting to grow again. According to a report published by Realty Trends, despite an 83% drop in supply of organized retail space across key cities in India, the year 2012 continued to witness an increased transaction activity and retailer expansion. Around 2.5 million square feet of fresh retail space entered the market in 2012. Mainly concentrated in Bangalore, Kolkata and Pune. This is up from 15 million square feet in 2011, the report said. Those retailers are all going to need interior designers. And with the population explosion in India, it has caused living spaces to shrink. According to BBC News, already containing 17.5% of the world's population, India is projected to be the world's most populous country by 2025. Its population rise is expected to reach 1.6 billion by 2050. Because of this, people need to be more careful with how they use space. Also, the retail boom and rebounding economy means that there are more restaurants and stores opening, all of which needs professional interior designers. According to payscale.com, the average salary of an interior designer in India is approximately rupees 2,31,626, in Indian currency. I repeat, the average salary according to pay scale is 2,31,626 Indian currency. The range is between 92,000 to 5,79,000 rupees. According to Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of interior designers is expected to increase by 19% between 2010 and 2020. The trends are showing that environmentally friendly design is on the rise. Also on the rise is design that can accommodate the aging population and disabled individuals. As people work more from home, altogether stay home more often, home offices are a growing trend, as are home media rooms. Similarly, another trend is larger bathrooms with saunas, whirlpools and large walk-in closets. The green design movement is also strong and will continue to grow. In the recent years, media has also given a lot of attention to the profession of interior design on the residential or commercial front as well as in the movies. The truth is, in the 21st century, interior design is much more than selecting colors or arranging furniture. Interior designer today is an all-round expert with excellence in project management, construction, sustainable design, developing detailed plan, selecting materials, negotiating fees, setting schedules for the project, supervising the work as it is carried out, and other more important areas which will require skill and training. A well-designed retail establishment. There are many different kinds of interior design projects. Interior design is the arrangement of living and working space. This involves the organizing, managing and planning of the interiors of rooms in homes, offices, retail shops, showrooms, hotels, airports, exhibition halls, conference centers, theaters, TV and film studios and commercial establishments. Even hospitals and schools are becoming aware of the effect of interior design on patients and students' satisfaction. Employment is growing in this area, driven by Indian households and small businesses. It is estimated that there will be 4.5% growth rate for this industry through 2014. A large part of this market will come from hospitality, which includes restaurants, hotels and resorts that need someone to design or redesign already existing establishments. Many tourism areas with hotels have to constantly remodel and reinvent their properties to keep tourists coming back. Corporate clients want to expand or improve their offices or create new retail stores and leisure facilities for families. Okay, now that you know that interior design is a great field to get into, how do you know if it's something you would be good at? Let's look at it in one of the future modules. Till then, let's work together and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and career for life. Thank you.